Alright, it's June 25, 2025. This is a 1970 Triumph Daytona T100R. Serial number is XD36027 T100R. You can see that on the frame. Down here on the engine crankcase, we have the same number, XD36027 T100R. So a matching numbers bike, restored close to 40 years ago. Correct colors, Jakarta purple, it is silver, and then the gold outlining stripe here. All the, how should we say, single color offered that year. It's a cold start, so it's 97 degrees outside. So as cold as it's going to be, this is what we're doing. I'm going to tickle the carburetors right here. These are primers, or ticklers they call them, on each carburetor. I'm going to give it a kick and hopefully she'll start right up. So let's give her a try. It's cold-blooded, so I've got it running on full choke right now. And you can see it's ticking around 1200 RPM. What have we got? 13,492 miles. We've got working amp gauge here. There's a park light. There's the headlight. There's high beams and low beams, all that good stuff. We've got a tail light. We've got brake lights. Off the back. Here's the front. Amp meter. Whoop! There's the horn. Amp meter draws down with your headlights on, so you give her a little gas. Turn your headlights off. There's your state of charge. Fully equipped bike. Everything including the toolkit. All underneath the side cover here. And we'll go through that in another video. Thanks for watching.